Hi, my name is Jabulo Dladla. I am a visual designer and have been for the past 8 years. And with all the knowledge and skills I have garnered over these years, I have decided to become a design lecturer and create an open educational resource to teach undergraduate designers about the 4 fundamental types of e-learning graphic design. These are visual identity graphic design, publication graphic design, motion graphic design, and illustration graphic design. You will find further details on each of the 4 design types in this website and in the attached PDFs. The purpose of this course is to create designers who will visually shape the nation to greater design heights and ensure that they are the creators of visual communications that will be used on products, websites, and other visual communications by companies and brands. The full course will run a duration of a school calendar year, with each of the 4 modules covered in each of the 4 yearly terms. The first semester will cover visual identity graphic design in term 1 and publication graphic design in term 2. And the second semester will cover motion graphic design in term 3 and lastly illustration graphic design in the final term. The primary learning management system will be Adobe Creative Cloud, which is a suite of design software that allows designers to create a variety of different design elements. With the course being a rather visual course, we will blend a lot of our learning with YouTube tutorials, which we will access through Edpuzzle, a great application for student engagement and activity management. Thank you and see you in class. This video illustration is a breakdown of the design course you are about to embark on, which will cover the 4 fundamental types of e-learning graphic design. These are visual identity graphic design, publication graphic design, motion graphic design, and illustration graphic design. By the end of this course and this video, you will learn about each of the aforementioned types of graphic design, their importance, and use in the real world and practice. The full course will run a duration of a school calendar year, with each of the 4 modules covered in each of the 4 yearly terms. The first semester will cover visual identity graphic design in term 1 and publication graphic design in term 2. And the second semester will cover motion graphic design in term 3 and lastly illustration graphic design in the final term. Let's break down each module and graphic design type, starting with visual identity graphic design. Visual identity is a unique concept that is becoming increasingly popular in the modern world and is essential for companies to communicate a strong message to their target audience. The best part of the concept is that it is one that is entirely unique to each brand and can be tailored to the individual needs of a brand. Examples of visual identity include logos, business cards, letterheads, emails, signatures, brand style guides, etc., etc. In the second term, we'll cover publication graphic design. Publication graphic design is a discipline that requires graphic designers to create print and digital publications to support newspapers, magazines, and other publications. They work collaboratively with their clients to help them understand the purpose of the publication and ensure that it utilizes the most effective design techniques to achieve their goals. Examples of publication graphic designs include books, magazines, newspapers, etc., etc. In the third term, we will cover motion graphic design. Motion graphics is a popular subfield of digital design which revolves around the manipulation of graphics to create animated visuals. They are a great way for a designer to showcase their creativity and innovation, as they are not limited by the confines of a text-based document. Examples of motion design include text animation like the ones you see in this very video, advertisements, animated logos, etc. etc. In the fourth and final term, we'll cover illustration graphic design. One of the most common visual communications that graphic designers create is illustration graphic design, a series of drawings that are used to convey a message. They are a great way to personalize a design and can be used to create a variety of different effects such as motion, texture, and color. Examples of illustrations include graphic patterns for textiles, graphic novels, comic books, infographics, etc. etc. And those are the 4 fundamental types of e-learning graphic designs that we will cover in this year-long course. Hopefully you now have a clearer understanding of what to expect within the course and are able to plan and prepare properly. The field of digital design is constantly evolving, and graphic designers must be willing to learn new software and design tools to stay up to date with the industry. Thank you and see you in class.